a long day of errands today, and we've stopped to get something to eat. But it's like an intermission because we have to get back at it as soon as we finish eating. And we're in the mall. That's how we're starting this week's vlog. So we decided to try out some New York fries for lunch. And of the 3 hot dogs you see there, 1 is full, and obviously the loaded one is mine because I'm the greedy up here. But it was pretty good. I've never tried it before. I thought we would have a light snack of hot dogs, but it ended up being very filling. And then we were on our way shortly after that to finish those errands. These are pretty. Me too, but I ain't got a green thumb in my body. Yeah. Any flowers I look after will not make it. Oh, these are pretty. We're just gonna pick up some water and juice, maybe some fruits. Flowers. Ooh, roses. Then I wear them in a heart shape now. We've already got grapes, I think. Like this one. Go back. I'm gonna get water from Costco, but
What did you mean?
I guess what the Western family will do until little case of this for lunch. Heavy.
Gummy types.
How are them gummy nerds? Or nerds for gummy? How are these? How are these? Mixed berries. Couple choice one in there. Look. Ooh. Wait. 3 to 6 portions. Alright, well, okay. So we're gonna try that one here and we're gonna try that one here. And then we're going to get some of the almond and oats, non-dairy. Something right here, stuff. And a backup because that one is expensive and we don't want to be out. Then we need, you want orange juice?
Yes, please. I love orange.
Oh, let's find the no pulp.
There's the notebook.
No pulp.
What is this?
It's got some white pulp wipes. Do-do-do. So we really like this. I'll be fine. And from the back, Lord, watch what it said. So, watermelon and peach. There we go. That's it, I think.
No.
You want milk?
Yeah.
Didn't we pass the milk? So come back look for milk. Sure. Alright, don't know. Alright, it's 5. It's after 5, and as you can tell, we've had a very long day. So I did my lashes. Do you guys like? It's a lot of trial and error, but I think this time I made it. I like them. Really like them. Anyway. Smooth or something.
Make this Okay, so we're home. We're done with the errands, and it's 6:24. So we have about 2.5 hours of daylight left, and I'm going to try to use that time to record another sit-down video. So I'm really trying to be consistent, and I'm trying this thing where I feel like it will be easier if I'm one step ahead. So today is Friday, which means a vlog came out today and the next one is going to be next week, right? I'm already halfway through recording that vlog, and I feel like if I just, you know, increase the gap, because I was trying to stay ahead. I've been doing some content planning to make sure I stay on schedule, and it's like, you know, I wanted to you know, like do like a month of content ahead before I came on, but I realized that is where my way gets tripled, because if I sit there and say I want to have a month's worth of content ahead before I come back, it's gonna take longer and longer and longer, and the longer it takes me to film that month of content is, you know, and then it's gonna get longer and longer and longer. So I decided to jump back in when I had one video and I scheduled it, and during that time when that video was scheduled, I started working on another one. So now I'm one video ahead, right? And if I can finish this sit down video today, I'll be 2 videos ahead, right? I even considered at one point, you know, it would be really great trying if you could do 2 videos, but then I had to like, I can be honest with myself and be like, girl, crawl before you ball. No, that ain't it. Let's see where we get with 1 videos, and try to be consistent, because the truth is, now that the weather is warming up, it's a little bit easier to make videos. I feel like it's not as, oh god, I have to go out in the cold, or it's so cold outside, or whatever. I'm coming alive, and there are more light hours in the day, so I want to make use of that and try to get myself to a place where you all are getting a consistent content, and we can build a community, interact, and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna spend the day at church. I'm gonna take off the day off my face to make up off my face and wash off the day, and then sit down and get started on the next video for y'all. All right, so that's what we gonna do. Come off, and then this is going to do the rest of the job. Guys, so you see how I'm telling you say I'm gonna record the video, and I did turn on the phone to do a little bit of behind the scenes. Tell me why I sat down and recorded 54 minutes of video and forgot to turn on the microphone that I had clipped to my shirt. And because the mic thing was in the jack, there's literally 54 minutes of literal nothing is only video. Wow, okay. I need time to recover from this. I need to recover. Okay? I will see y'all later.
So I woke up the next morning with that lost video on my mind. I was really stirring over it, like y'all have no idea. I was so tired and I still sat down and did that video, and then to lose it, I was like, oh man. Anyway, I came into the kitchen to make breakfast, and in true Shan fashion, I decided that I was going to start doing 1,000,001 things before I actually made the breakfast. So everything catch my eye. I start to vacuum, I start to wipe down the counter, I start to clean off the tray by the stove. But eventually I made it and actually started making breakfast. After we ate, I went on my weekly family call, and then after that we had to head out. So yeah, this is me doing everything but making the damn breakfast. Good morning. So today's Saturday. We're dropping off the kiddo to her extracurricular, and because we're not drop and leave type of parents, this is where we're gonna hang for the next little bit until she's done. We're also going to go to Sarkans to drop off our recycles, and then I don't know, maybe we'll go home after that. I don't know, but probably I will try with that video again. Probably I will try again. So I to the camera, my man. So yeah, that's our day. No, we shouldn't go to Costco. I know you don't want to go. Anyway, I feel cute. Can I say I look cute? Yeah, but I feel extra cute, and after I fight the ear for almost an hour, I can't take it cute. Thank you. Alright, so we ended up in Walmart. How about I say about? Today it worked, the eco style, it all it to them, man. I always feel like it doesn't hold it, but it holds it even today. So anyway, I got some of this. It's supposed to be good for some in a baby doll dress. So I'm cute. And then by the breeze. The breeze.
The baby doll dress is very small.
The breeze. She.
I'm hungry.
A good thing my mother said enough to wear only baggy, and say I must always wear shorts under my dress. Because this wind, baby. Alright, I don't think we'll be doing anything for the rest of the day. All we're gonna do is I'm going to try and do that video again later. So I don't know. That's our Saturday. So we ended up going out to lunch, and then it's had a little impromptu meet up with some friends and had lunch/dinner. So the video is not gonna happen today because not only does my head hurt, I'm feeling tired, and it's, you see how pretty this sky was today? That, like, I'll make sure to insert those clips. I wasn't sure I was going to use them, but now I am, just so I can show you the difference. I'm about to show you the sky now. That's the sky, and I'm deliberately showing you, like, you know what I mean? But that is smoke. That's smoke. So yeah, that's what the place looks like now. There's lots and lots of smoke from wildfires blowing in. Saskatchewan. Long past by the time you see this, but happy Mother's Day to all the moms that watch my channel. You are special, you are needed, and shout out to the moms who are trying to heal, you know, traumas from their own childhood, and, you know, just trying to be the best that they can be. If you're worried about being a good mom, you're already a good mom. People who aren't good moms, don't worry about that. So I know it's hard sometimes, and I know it can seem like a thankless job depending on who you have in your life, but I just wanted to let you know that you're doing okay. It's gonna be okay. Just continue to do your best, and your child will see that you are doing your best. Okay? And moving on from that, so I'm in bed, of course. AC, these nails, I don't, like, these are press-ons, and I've had them on for 3 weeks now. 3 weeks. And today, I just lost the first nail. So, press-ons with villager gel and top coats. First one just fell off, and you get 3 weeks wear from it. So I've become such a DIY girly since living in Saskatchewan. I'm just, all the self-care things I'm doing by myself now, and these are everything. Even when, like, I used to do lots of acrylic, I've always been a French girly, and every time I tried to come out of the box, I used to start venturing to do the one nail different. Did that for a little while, a couple of times, and then I love a good white solid, or a good red solid, or something deep like navy blue, or the red must be a deep red. I like deep reds, typically around Christmas time, things like that. But at heart, this is my everyday look.
and the croissants, elite. So I don't like to run around with nails popped off. So now I'm gonna figure out, should I be soaking off the others and getting them redone since, but we don't know. We'll see how that goes. Next week. I don't know, but yeah, happy Sunday, happy Mother's Day. Yeah, look how pretty that is. I love a good close-up of nature. So not beat my body, not tell the Lord I roof. Put your face in the roof. That's this busybody one, yeah. Hey, come now, man. In front. That's it?
What else you want me to do?
Vlog.
Vlog?
I don't talk.
Talk about what?
I don't know.
Me don't know what to talk about.
Bye-bye.
How's our walk?
Long.
Longer than you'd prefer?
No, just long.
Gibbs.
We're just saying hi to the butterfly.
Stay in front of us, please, where we can see you. Tell the people them how you like Regina.
This time we'll go through that.
Well, I don't know. You've been here over a year now. Before, when you did tell them, you just come and you just settle in, and
So?
Your opinions haven't changed. There's nothing that you feel like is different. Nothing that would make you change your mind.
Not right now.
Okay. And how are you in the winters?
What do you mean?
How you find them? Like, we know so we did prepare for it to be brutal, but is it more than you thought, or?
It wasn't as bad as last year.
But this is like a one-off. This is probably like a
Whatever.
one-off.
It wasn't as bad as last year.
But it's still cool.
It is, but not as bad as it was last year. We have like 2 weeks of a cold snap. It was brutally cold, but that was it.
The 2 weeks, they rough there now. As much as last year did worse, the cold snap for last year, I did 1 week. The 2 week extreme temperatures did rough. Okay. We're happy, y'all. I'm happy.
the crate going.